Picture this. You're cruising along, then suddenly, your car sputters, or worse, dies, stranded, facing a tow and a mechanic's bill. But here's the truth. Your car warned you. Weeks, maybe months in advance. Most people miss the signs, turning up the radio, ignoring warning lights. Don't be that person. Today I'll teach you how to spot the early warnings and save yourself a fortune. Stick around. These tips could save your engine. Let's talk about your dashboard lights. They're not decorations, they're urgent messages. The check engine light, that's not a suggestion. It means something's wrong. Could be minor, could be major. Ignore it, and you're risking serious damage. The oil light, if it comes on, stop immediately. No oil pressure means your engine could seize in minutes. The battery light, it's not just the battery, it's your charging system. If it's on, you could lose power and get stranded. These lights are your car's way of saying, help me now. Don't just keep driving. Check your manual, use a code scanner, or get it checked out. A cheap fix now beats a massive repair later. Pay attention to these warnings. They're your car's lifeline. Don't let a tiny light become a giant bill. Be smart. Listen to your car. It'll take care of you if you take care of it. That's how you avoid disaster. Your car shouldn't sound like a rock concert. Clicking, clunking, grinding, these are cries for help. A clicking noise that speeds up could be low oil or valve train trouble. Ignore it, and you risk engine damage. Deep knocking, that's rod knock. Stop driving or you're looking at a dead engine. Clicking when turning, bad CV joint, clunks over bumps, suspension trouble, both are safety issues. Squealing brakes, that's a built-in warning. Replace pads now, or you'll destroy your rotors. Grinding brakes, you waited too long. Now it's an expensive fix. These sounds aren't just annoying, they're urgent warnings. Listen up, act fast, and you'll save big. Don't let a small noise become a big problem. Your ears are your best tool. Catch it early, fix it cheap. See smoke or smell burning, that's a red alert. Pull over and get out. Blue or gray smoke from the tailpipe, burning oil, serious engine trouble. Thick white smoke, burning coolant, blown head gasket, huge repair bill. Smoke under the hood, oil leak on a hot engine. Fire risk. Burning rubber? A belt or hose is about to fail. Electrical burning smell? Possible short. Stop immediately. Disconnect the battery if safe. Don't ignore these signs. Fires and catastrophic failures happen fast. Your safety comes first. Smoke and burning smells mean stop, not keep going. Act fast. Avoid disaster. Check where you park. See a puddle? That's your car leaking life. Dark oil? Engine leak. Fix it before it ruins your engine. Bright green, pink, or orange. Coolant, overheating risk, possible engine meltdown. Reddish fluid, transmission leak. Ignore it, and you'll face a massive repair bill. Even small leaks mean trouble. Your car shouldn't lose fluids. Catch leaks early, fix them cheap. Don't let a $10 gasket turn into a $1,000 repair. A quick glance under your car can save you a fortune. Don't ignore the puddles. Your wallet will thank you. How your car feels matters. If steering gets stiff or loose or you hear clunks, your steering system needs attention. Don't risk losing control. Shaking or vibrating, could be unbalanced tires or worn suspension. Fix it before it gets worse. Brakes feel soft or spongy. That's a brake system failure waiting to happen. Get it checked now. Don't ignore changes in how your car drives. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Small changes signal big problems ahead. Address them early. Stay safe and save money. Your car's feel is its way of talking to you. Listen, and you'll avoid breakdowns. Don't get used to problems. Fix them. Safe driving starts with paying attention. Knowing the signs is only half the battle. Acting on them is what saves you money. Don't wait. Small problems become big, expensive ones fast. When a warning light comes on, use a code scanner or get it checked. Don't ignore it. Hear a weird noise? Investigate. Pop the hood. Look for obvious issues. Check your fluids regularly. If they're low, find out why. Fix leaks and worn parts before they cause major damage. Do regular maintenance, oil changes, tire pressure, brake checks. Treat your car like the complex machine it is, not a magic box. Build a relationship with your car. Listen, look, and act. Early action means fewer repairs and a longer-lasting car. Stay proactive, not reactive. That's how you keep your car reliable and safe. Be the smart car owner. Your wallet and your family will thank you. Your car's always talking. Lights, sounds, leaks, and feel. Pay attention, act early, and you'll save thousands. You don't need to be a mechanic, just a smart, attentive owner. A well-maintained car is a safe car. Use these tips, drive with confidence, and keep your family safe. Like, subscribe, and comment, warning, if your car's ever tried to tell you something.